Welcome. Today we're exploring how to unhide a group chat on the WhatsApp app for PC, especially after the recent update. If you've archived a group chat and want to bring it back to your main chat list, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the steps you need to follow. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the left side menu where all your chats are displayed. Next, click on Archive Chat from the left side menu. This section holds all your archived conversations, including any group chats you may have hidden. Now, find the group chat that you want to unhide. Once you locate it, right-click on the group chat. A menu will pop up with various options for you to choose from. Finally, click on Unarchive. This action will remove the group chat from your archived section and restore it back to your main chat list. And there you have it. Your group chat is now visible and ready for you to catch up on all the conversations you missed. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on WhatsApp and other apps. Happy chatting!